Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. June 7, 2025, Saturday Racing. Araw ng Sabado, Philracom Rating Days Handicap System Race. Patuloy Summer Racing Festival. No bearing races, no effect. Meron tayong 7 races ngayong araw ng Sabado. Starting time ng karera 4 p.m. alas 4 ng hapon. All 7 races to be run in 1,400 meter distance. Umpisahan po natin ang ating mga cool choices. Race 1. Starting ng winner take all. Races 1 to 7. Race 1. Full gate, 14 entries. Merong Pentapecta at Super 6-7. Isa itong 3-year-old and above maiden race placers. First and only choice, number 1, Kankalu Queen. Race 2, pick 6, covers races 2 to 7. First choice, number 1, Morning After. Second choice, number 3, Central Luzon. Third choice, number 10, Club Habana. Tumako tayo ngayon sa race 3. Pick 5 covers races 3 to 7. First choice, number 12, Player Andre. Second choice, number 13, Boss Lady. Third choice, number 8, Take a Chance. Dumako tayo ngayon sa race 4, pick 4, covers races 4 to 7. Sa maghapong karera sa araw ng Sabado, ito ang pinakakonte ang entries, 7 entries. First choice, number 7, is Static. Second choice, number 2, Thriller. Sa race number 5. First choice, number 11, Swakto Power Duo with Jackie R.M. Garcia. Second choice, number 5, Top of the Line, NC Lonar Riding. Race 6, penultimate race na may Pentapecta. First choice, number 4, Amor, My Love. Second choice, number 1, Batang Kankalu. Race 7, last race, Paratingan, race na may Super 6. First choice, number 9, Ivan, isang puting kabayo. Second choice, number 5, Manila Boy, isang puting kabayo din. Third choice, number 12, 7 of Diamonds. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!